So I wanted to join in the holiday spirit. So I got some pumpkins. Most people carve their pumpkins. I do things a little bit goofy, don't I, Louie? So I might as well carve this pumpkin a little goofy too. Let's do it. What? Don't most people use a chop saw? Well, I would. Okay, let's stick this in here just so. Can you see there? Alright, let's clamp her in there. Alright, ready? Yeah. I changed my mind. That's just not gonna work. I came up with a new idea on how to carve a pumpkin. Plasma cutter. Let's try this. Well, one would naturally put the ground cable on the stem, right? Okay, so I was gonna use the plasma here to cut this pumpkin.
Are you sure this is gonna work? Fire Captain Tom is not gonna be impressed if this is the best you can come up with.
Oh, so don't use this technique? Alright, well, challenge accepted. So my sister Jill here, she challenged me to come up with something that would actually impress Fire Captain Tom. So we're out here looking at equipment. Well, what do you think, Jill? Will that?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Well, there's saws on the top of these delimbers.
Nah.
No?
Keep trying.
Because that'll only stretch the pumpkin out and it'll look like a cucumber or
Yep.
what? A pickle?
Yep.
Put me in a pickle? Well, you're putting me in a pickle.
Exactly.
I gotta find something to carve this pumpkin.
You do. Keep looking.
All right. So Jill told me to go on the interwebs and Google world's best pumpkin carver.
Yep, sure did.
And this is what they sent me. A 65,000 pound pumpkin carver.
Amazing what you can find on Amazon Prime.
It wasn't on Prime. I had to pay shipping.
Oh, okay.
You know what shipping costs? They had to bring like 8 UPS trucks just to haul that.
Yeah.
Here's my victims. I mean my pumpkins. Well, rumor has it that there's actually a saw down under there somewhere. Well, let's get this beast fired up. Well, let's fire up the world's greatest pumpkin carving machine. Okay, you guys stay right there. It's getting awful dark on me. Good thing my camera picks up light very well. Okay. Let's see if the tracks will move now. The head was frozen to the ground a little bit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's frozen. I'm mashing the pedals. Alright, let's go backwards, see what that does. Oh, doesn't like that either. Well, let's see if the saw will turn. Oh, yeah. At least that works. Oh, let's try this again. Oh, there we go. Must be frozen a little bit to the ground. Man, I don't know why that happened. UPS just dropped this off. I need to get over to those pumpkins. It's getting dark on me. Come on. You'd think they would have sent me a bunch of new teeth. Okay, let's fire up the saw. I mean the pumpkin carver. It's gonna be really hard to do, isn't it? We can do it. I'm just gonna cut some eyelashes in it here. That should be good. Right there. Alright. Pretty good. Okay, Mike, let's try to carve the nose and the smile. Okay. think the mouth is done. Smile. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I'm getting pretty good at this. That's hilarious. Well, that's how you carve a pumpkin, huh? There, that's how you carve a pumpkin. Yeah. Yeah, that worked pretty good. You ready? Let's try it again. Oh. Yeah, no, I'm not going to reach under there for that. A bigger pumpkin. Ready? Here we go. Do not try this at home. Oh, oh that kind of worked. Like it's spraying stuff off. Oh boy. There's pumpkin chunks all the way over here. Uh-huh. That's funny. What? I'm not supposed to have fun doing this? Too bad. I am. Here we go again. Ready? Yeah. Kind of ruining this pumpkin. Well, there you go. There's your today's lesson in how to carve a pumpkin with a Dimco. We got pumpkin guts frozen to the saw head. Oh, look at that, pumpkin seeds. No pumpkins were harmed in the making of this video, except for these three. Oh, come on. That's worth a thumbs up right there, isn't it? The debris field. Oh my goodness. Look at it, it's everywhere. I threw it a long ways. There's all kinds over here against the snowbank. Come on, that deserves a thumbs up. No? Look at this. Way over there. What a goofball. Huh, Louie? Yeah. Oh, and everybody else. Hey, thanks for all the people that watch and support the channel. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.